So it's that time. You've decided that you want to take the plunge and get yourself a G Wagon. You decide you want to land on a 13 through 18 G550. This is it. It's a beautiful example. But you're just not quite there with the lift kits and the big wheels and the big tires and all that stuff. Hey, I'm there. I get it. What I want to present to you today is this is an example of what we call our Stock Plus, our OEM Plus platform. This is actually a 13 G550 that's been slightly modified from factory. Now, we've gone through this truck, we've taken care of all the maintenance items, all the service items. This is actually sold for a client, so you know it's not for sale, but we do have many others like it. And this has what we call the Stock Plus suspension upgrade. And what that means is it has springs, Fox 2.0s, it has our bespoke steering damper setup, upgraded braided stainless steel brake lines, new tires, and a host of other little things to make the truck steer and ride and go down the road very nicely. Some other things we've done to this particular unit, we've taken care of the windows, make sure all the tint matches. It also has UV tint on the glass, on the front glass, so it keeps the sun off you. It's got brand new Michelin LTXs, it's got new brakes around. It does actually have the AMG exhaust on this. Even though it is a 550, it adds a nice little touch to the truck, just a nice tasteful little bit of chrome there. And for some people, chrome is right, and that's not to be frowned upon. So around the backside, it's very clean. Now this truck is interesting. It's actually going out of state and it actually has been repainted. This is a higher mileage example, but this is an example where it was purchased right. It had a decent history. It's just the paintwork on the truck was suffering. It saw a lot of debris and sand and things like that. So given that we had some leeway within the budget, we decided to go ahead and take it down and reshoot the truck. It is brilliant silver metallic. It pops. It looks really good. The nice part about this is the truck has a lot of life left in it, and especially with fresh paint and taking care of every single imperfection on the exterior of the truck, it looks and drives and feels brand new. So the gentleman that's going to be receiving this truck is essentially getting a brand new G Wagon on the exterior. Also underneath the skin, the suspension's been upgraded. It's got new shoes. You can see the Fox 2.0 remote reservoir there. They are fully adjustable, so you can be guaranteed that when going down the roads or going through mountain passes, this truck is going to handle every bit as good as it looks. And this is a perfect example for someone that doesn't want the big flashy wheels or the big flashy tires, but loves the original aesthetic, just wants it to ride and drive and handle better. So here we are. So it's pretty OEM plus on the outside. We've even polished up the chrome on it, made it look nice and tight. The cool thing is the interior is really nice as well. If you want to come take a peek at it, it has the chestnut brown interior, which is really rich when you look at it. And this is not a super common option. So that was the other motivating factor on this, is when you have the chestnut brown interior, it is really rich. It cleans up nice. Obviously, we've done our command upgrade on this, so you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and all the usual stuff. But again, this is a slightly higher mileage truck, but we had a lot of opportunity to take care of the little things, largely because we can purchase these for not a lot of money and make them really special. So it's where everything has been refreshed, restored on the inside. Everything works exactly like it should from the factory, down to sunroof operation, seat operation, pneumatics, you name it, it's all there. So this is a great example. I just want to show off to you the difference between our 2-inch and our 4-inch and show you a really clean, nice example of a Stock Plus upgrade. Okay, so the other thing that we don't talk about a whole lot with a Stock Plus system is the truck drives fantastic. Sometimes we get asked the question is, if I were to do a 2-inch or a 4-inch lift and run bigger wheels and tires, how does that affect the truck's overall handling and drivability? Well, it does affect it, whether we like it or not. Running a 33 or 34-inch tire, it does make the truck feel slightly sluggish. So one of the things that people ask us is, do larger wheels and tires affect the way the truck drives down the road? Short answer is yes, it does affect the way the truck drives down the road. However, in this Stock Plus setup, where we're running factory-sized wheels and tires, it has zero effect on drivability and handling. The other thing is, by keeping it this way, the overall road handling characteristics go through the roof. You can change lanes rapidly, you can stop, you can brake. The truck just stays really planted, really glued to the road, which is really important. And it's just an overall nice place to be. Now, the other thing is, by keeping it original, the truck feels very, very fast. Now, we're used to driving trucks with larger wheels and tires, and they're just a lot heavier, and you have to upgrade brakes and everything else. But by keeping everything original, you maintain the factory dynamics that Mercedes originally intended on this truck. Again, we just improve upon it. So here we have something that accelerates very nicely, has no problem getting up to speed, not that any of the others do, but it just feels very spry and very peppy. and it's overall a very nice place to be, especially since the rest of the truck has been gone through. It's silent on the inside. It is just perfection. All right, guys, so to recap, this is how they should have come from the factory. If you want a stock G Wagon, just plus better, this is your package. It drives better, it handles better, it's spry, it has all the power. It just feels great and solid going down the road. And this is also a testament to the build quality of these trucks. These are still hand built up until 2018, and it's got some miles on it, and it still feels tight and solid. There's not many other vehicles that can do that on the road today. We just do some light enhancements to really bring out the bright characteristics of this truck and make it truly a pleasurable drive for its next owner. Just take a look at it, get in touch with us. If it's something you're interested in and you're looking for your next G Wagon, get in touch with us. Joe Gocher, Alliance Auto Care, nothing but G's. We're more than happy to broker one, do whatever we need to do to make it uniquely yours and get it to your doorstep. Thanks again.